there is a great value of good health in life. It is said that health is wealth. If health is lost, everything is lost. Capacity to work is lost. Inability to work leads to poverty and misery. On the other hand, if we have good health, we are able to work, and this in turn adds to our wealth. So, from this video, you would better know what should we eat and what to not, and few tips to live healthy, happier and disease-free life. I am sure that this video would really help you, so please watch till the end and let's start our video. As we know that food is the major component of an individual's health, and health is mostly affected by the type of food we consume and our surrounding environment. Okay, so here is my question that what do you like to eat? Hurry up, write your answers in the comment section below. I am pretty sure that majority of the people would list some of the food items which are categorized in junk food. For example, samosa, pizza, burger, vada pav, etc. Am I right? So, the point is that why do we like such items when our mind already knows that it is not useful for our body? So, there are three main reasons for it. First one, its taste. Second one, its cost. And third one, its availability. Most of the people likes to eat junk food because of its taste. Junk food contains a lot of added sugars which cause the brain to release certain neurotransmitters called dopamine and oxytocin, which induce the feeling of relaxation, pleasure and enjoyment in an individual. That's why such foods that are high in sugar and fats like cakes, pastries, burgers, etc. are called comfort foods. But what about it when it runs down from the esophagus and reaches to digestive system? Is it good? No, not at all. In fact, junk foods are processed foods which are generally very high in sugars and refined ingredients and are totally low in fiber, vitamins and other essential nutrients. More consumption of junk food can increase the risk of obesity and cardiovascular diseases because it is rich in trans and saturated fat, sodium and bad cholesterol. So, if anyone wants to get rid of obesity, then please avoid junk food and start eating healthier food. We often listen to people speaking that I eat too much, even then my health isn't becoming better. What could be the reason behind it? Think about it. So, the reason is that our stomach is quite small in size, and just filling it up with all the mess wouldn't make you healthy. Our body requires essential nutrients to function properly and to carry out our daily activities. So, if you really want to be healthy, then start filling it up with nutritious food. Now, the question arises, what is nutritious food? So, the food which provides all the essential nutrients and nourishment essential for proper growth and development of our body is known as nutritious food. So, the 6 essential nutrients required by our body to stay healthy are water, carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins and minerals. Being hydrated is very important. So, we should drink minimum 3 liters of water in a day to stay hydrated. We should consume the vegetables such as potato, corn, sweet potato and pumpkin and even rice to fulfill our requirement of carbohydrates. Foods such as dairy products, legumes, nuts, eggs and meat provides us proteins. Foods such as avocados, cheese, eggs, fish, nuts, cream, butter provides us with fats. And no every food provides every essential vitamins. So to fulfill the requirements of vitamins and minerals, add variety of vegetables and fruits in your diet. So if we think from this point of view and took nutritious food, then our body will be strong and healthy. So this was all about the food we should consume to stay healthy. Now other things which matters for good health are, first one, exercise and yoga. Exercise boosts energy. Exercise daily for 30 minutes to reduce the risk of developing certain diseases including obesity, type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays an important role in your physical health. Sleep is involved in healing and repair of your heart vessels. Lack of sleep can affect your overall health. So, get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep daily. Third one, environment. Environment too affects our health. So, please be in clean and good environment to stay away from certain diseases. Fourth one, mental stress. Mental stress is highly affecting our health. So, the best way to reduce mental stress is to do meditation daily. If you follow all these things, then I would surely say that no disease can touch you and you will live a healthy and happier life. Thanks for watching. I hope so you like this video. So please like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.